Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the loanwords in Turkish. So what are the loanwords? Loanwords are the words which are adopted from other languages with little or no modification. So while I'm reading these loanwords, please, as much as possible, loudly repeat after me. Let's start. Academic. In Turkish, akademik. Once again, academic. Instead of letter C, we use letter K and read it as academic. Next one, accent. In Turkish, aksan. Once again, aksan. Like American accent, Amerikan aksanı. British accent, İngiliz aksanı. Aksan. Next one, accessory. In Turkish, aksesuar. Once again, aksesuar. Another one, action. In Turkish, aksiyon. Aksiyon. Action movie. Aksiyon filmi. Next one, actor. In Turkish, aktör. Once again, aktör. Instead of C, there is K, and O has dots, becomes Ö, aktör. Related to this, actress is actrice. Once again, actrice. Let's continue. Advantage, avantaj. Once again, avantaj. Advantage, avantaj. Next one, almost the same. Instead of C, we write K. Africa is Afrika. Once again, Afrika. Let's continue. Agenda is ajanda. Once again, ajanda. Next one, agent. In Turkish, ajan. Once again, ajan. Again, G becomes J and all the vowels are A, ajan. As you see on the photograph, it is Agent Scully from X-Files movie. In Turkish, ajan Scully. Special agent, özel ajan. Next one, aggressive. In Turkish, agresif. Once again, agresif. Next one, alarm. Exactly the same, but we are going to read it as we write, and it is alarm. Once again, alarm. Let's continue. Alcohol. In Turkish, alkol. Once again, alkol. Be careful. The letter L in the end is so thin. It's not alcohol. It is alkol. Actually, both of the letters L are thin. It is not alcohol. It is alkol. One last time. Alkol. Let's continue. Allergy is alerji. Again, G becomes J, and it is alerji. One last time, alerji. Let's continue. Alphabet is alfabe. The T disappears, the last letter, and it becomes alfabe. One last time, alfabe. English alphabet, İngilizce alfabesi. Let's go on. Ambulance is almost the same, ambulans. Once again, ambulans. Let's continue. Anatolia. In Turkish, it is Anadolu. Once again, Anadolu. The Asian part of Turkey is called Anatolia, and in Turkish it is Anadolu. Let's go on. Anatomy is anatomy. Once again, anatomy. All right, let's continue. Anonymous is anonym. One more time, anonym. All right, let's continue. Antenna is anten. Once again, anten. Good, let's continue. Antibiotics is antibiotic. Antibiotic. Together, antibiotic. Let's go on. Antique is antica. Once again, antica. All right, good. An apartment is apartman. Once again, apartman. There's a detail you need to know about apartment. In English, we use the word apartment for a flat, but in Turkish, we use the word apartman as a building. So when we say apartman in Turkish, we are trying to say building. And flat or apartment in English is daire in Turkish. Daire. So flat or apartment is daire. Building is apartman in Turkish. Let's continue. Aquarium, aquarium. Once again, aquarium. Let's continue. Archaeology, almost the same. Archaeology. One more time. Again, G becomes J, as you see. Archaeology. Let's continue. Assistant is asistan. One more time. Asistan. Next one is astrology. Again, G becomes J. Astrology. One more time. Astrology. All right, let's go on. Astronaut is astronaut. Just the last syllable is changing. Astronaut. Let's go on. Autobiography is autobiography. Once again, autobiography. All right, let's continue. Automatic is automatic. Once again, automatic. Next one is automobile, and in Turkish it is otomobil, or we can say araba as car. In this concept it is otomobil. Let's go on. Bacteria is bakteri. Once again, bakteri. All right. Balcony is balkon. One more time. Balkon. Just the letter Y disappears and we read it as balkon. Next one, balloon is balon. One more time, balon. Next one, bamboo is bamboo. One more time, bamboo. And the next one, bandage is again G alternates itself to J and it becomes bandage. One more time, bandage. All right. And bank is banka. One more time, banka. And the next one, bar It's written exactly the same, but we are going to read it so short. Bar. One more time. Bar. Good. Next one is barbecue. In Turkish, it is barbecue. The last letter, be careful, it is not U, it is Ü with dots. Barbecue. Next one, barber, almost the same. Berber. One more time. Berber. Next one is bicycle. In Turkish, it is bisiklet. One more time. Bisiklet. All right. And biography, in Turkish, it is biyografi. One more time. Biyografi. Next one, biology. In Turkish, it is biyoloji. Again, G changes to J and it becomes biyoloji. Next one, biscuit. It is bisküvi. Again, there is Ü with dots. Bisküvi. Next one is boat. In Turkish, it is bot. Very short. Bot. And boot is also in Turkish bot. So boat is bot and also boot is bot in Turkish.